So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add payment methods in BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your BigCommerce account, and it will take you to this page right here. So this will be your sort of dashboard for your store. Now if you wish to add payment methods, you can see on the left here: home, orders, products, customers, storefront, marketing, analytics, apps, channels, as well as settings. Go to settings. Through settings, you can see your setup like store profile, currencies, payments, locations, pickup methods, shipping, and tax. On here, you can see payments and says right there payment methods for the currencies you support in your store. So you can click on that. Now through here, you can see offline, online payment methods. You can even see digital wallets, which you can add. And you can see right there, enable test credit card payments. So if I use offline payment methods, you can see the bank deposit. You can set up cash on delivery, check, money order, or pay in store. So they give you a lot of options for offline as well as online payment methods, which you can do through Access WorldPay, BitPay, BlueSnap Direct, CyberSource, and MI WorldPay B2B payments, or you can use digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now through there, I suggest you use digital wallets since it's going to be the easiest to set up, but they give you really a lot of different options. So let's just choose one. And here you can see bank deposit. Just instruct the account information, and whatever you do, make sure to click on the save button once you're done. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.